So consistent with the idea of the Bill of Rights changing, are there some amendments which have fallen into disuse at various times, or have they always been equally vibrant?
It's fascinating to think about whether the Bill of Rights provides one set of rights that's the same over time. Because there are some amendments that seem to fall into disrepair and disuse and then come roaring back. The Second Amendment, for example, the one that focuses on the right to bear arms, is one that really had fallen into disuse. Folks had simply ignored it for a substantial amount of time. But in the last few decades, it really has roared back to life. The concept of whether or not there is a right of personal self-protection. Is there a right that stems from the Second Amendment that allows folks to carry handguns, for example? Or what kinds of weapons ought to be carried? Should it be a collective right that should only be consistent with our right to serve in the military, for example? Those are the kinds of questions that we thought we had done away with. But now they've come back, and indeed, the Second Amendment in and of itself really has expanded in terms of its scope and coverage in the last number of years. That's what makes some of what we see sort of more of a living Constitution notion, as opposed to one that suggests that rights exist, then die, and fade away. They can come back from the dead on occasion.